Diaz with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to properly blow dry your own hair. First, you want to apply heat protectant to protect your hair while blow drying it. You don't have to use the same heat protectant I got, and if you don't have heat protectant, you can use leave-in conditioner. But I recommend that you get heat protectant. All right, so you want to apply your pick attachment to your blow dryer, and you want to use medium/high heat to get the full length of your hair. Before you blow dry your hair, you want to make sure that your hair is detangled. That's why my hair is in these twists, because I detangled my hair already while doing my wash day routine. If you want a video on that, let me know and I'll drop it. Then you want to blow dry your hair from the ends, and you slowly want to work your way up to the roots so you do not damage or pull out any unnecessary hairs. After going over my hair a couple times with the blow dryer, now you can finally see how long my hair really is, going from being by my nose to now being past my chin. And now when I do my next hairstyle, I'm gonna have the max amount of length from my hair. Alright, so after I get done blow drying my hair, I like to add some oil so I can get back some of the moisture that I lost, and just making sure that my hair isn't dry. Alright, here's a quick little 360 of my hair blow dried out. Alright, now I'm gonna go trim my hair because I got hella split ends and it's about time for me to trim it anyway. So if you don't know how to trim your own hair, go watch the video, it's right here. And also don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. And hey, I appreciate you watching the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.